Hey, I wanted to show something that I've been working on. I saw this done on the Computer Hardware Tips and Tutorials channel, and it amazed me how easy the whole sheet metal process was made to look. So I thought, okay, I get PCBs manufactured, so why shouldn't I try and get some bent sheet metal ordered as well? So this is what I ended up building. I've always liked vacuum fluorescent displays. Since growing up in the 90s, we had them on some of our old VCRs. They have that old test equipment look from lab equipment, and I wanted to make something small for my desk that could show some simple information such as uptime or time of day or message of the day. So instead of another 3D printed box, and 3D prints always feel a little bit lightweight, I wanted something solid, something aluminium with a nice finish and held together with real hardware. So I opened Fusion and started sketching ideas. The design is simple. It's a U-shaped base with the front panel with the display cut out and two end caps. Everything bolts together with M4 screws and heated inserts. The shape is mostly about how it looks. It's not complicated engineering. I kept it straightforward so that the bending wouldn't be a nightmare. In the video I watched, he sent his model straight to PCBWay. No drawings, no flat pattern, and it worked. So I tried the same thing. I exported a step file, uploaded it, picked 2.5mm aluminium, bead blast finish, orange anodizing, and that was basically the whole process. When the parts came back, they looked great, clean bends, even anodizing, and all of the holes lined up pretty well, close enough that assembly didn't have any problems. The display. So I went with a cheap vacuum fluorescent display from AliExpress. They were in a Black Friday sale. They're bright, they're sharp, and they have that retro glow. I wired it to a small microcontroller, an ESP32, so eventually I'm going to add some Wi-Fi capabilities to go and get daily message of the day or maybe some quotes. I pushed some test graphics across and it lit up straight away. It gives the whole thing a really nice instrument feel. As for the software, well, the software's pretty basic for now. It shows the text and it shows the bitmap of short circuit. Later I might want to add that small protocol to communicate with a PC on the LAN, or I might just start hosting a server somewhere and it will dial that for the message of the day. So at the moment it does what I need it to, and that's just to prove that it works, and I can add functionality later. As a recap and the result, so this is finished, it's on my desk. I power it up every now and then. Eventually I'm going to move to giving it a dedicated power supply. Seeing how well the aluminium turned out, it makes me want to do more projects like this. You can end up with a really high quality finish just by using some sheet metal and some bending.